Hello everyone! Today we're diving into two fundamental concepts in geometry. Understanding the angle of elevation and angle of depression is crucial for real-world applications. First, let's explore the angle of elevation. Imagine looking up at something tall. This is the angle formed between your horizontal line of sight and your line of sight upwards. It's always measured from the ground or a horizontal plane, upwards to the object. For example, you can use it to measure the height of a tree without climbing it. Now, let's shift our focus to the angle of depression. This is the opposite scenario. Imagine you are at the top of a tall building, looking down at an object on the ground. The angle of depression is formed between your horizontal line of sight and your line of sight downwards. It's always measured from a horizontal line, downwards to the object below. Think of a lifeguard in a tower, looking down at a swimmer in the water. Both angles rely on a crucial reference: the horizontal line. The angle of elevation is above the horizontal, and depression is below it. These concepts are fundamental in trigonometry, helping us solve complex height and distance problems. So remember, elevation looks up, depression looks down, always from the horizontal. Practice identifying these angles in your surroundings and in math problems. Subscribe for more math lessons and unlock the power of geometry.